Now let's look at a scenario whereby you've gotten your final grades like this, but then you want to introduce to it the aspect of percentage. Because if you look at this right now, it's not, the percentage sign is not reflected next to it. What most people will do is you come and click on percentage, but the moment you click on percentage, it's just going to mess up your entire work. If I autofill now, this is what I'm seeing. So that's not actually what the percentage is supposed to be. So how do we go about this? How do we introduce the percentage sign to our work? That is what we're going to look at in this particular session. So I'm going to put my cursor where I want the percentage sign to be given to me. Then I'll come to this section here under the data type, and where there's number, I'm going to click the arrow pointing down here. Then in just, okay, it has appeared. The format cell option has appeared for me, a pop-up menu. So what I need to do at this point is, there are different data types, as you can see the categories. What I'm going to do is I'll come to custom, and under custom here I am seeing type here, where it is saying type here. I'll put my cursor next to this 0, where my cursor is at the moment next to 0. Then I'm going to put the backward slash. That is backward slash, not forward slash. This is the forward slash, but what I'm going to do is the backward slash. This is what I'm going to do. Then I introduce to it the percentage sign. So by doing that, if I click OK now, let me copy it so that I can paste it where it can appear well for us to see what I put there exactly. Let me copy, I'll put it somewhere. I can now click OK, and then you can see the percentage sign has been introduced without messing up my work. I can autofill. I now have my percentages, such that if I came to this area here, let me come to file, new, blank document. Then I paste what I did the other side. This is what I did so that you can see well. I increase the size. So a 0 was there originally. I introduced the backward slash, then the percentage sign, and then click OK. Let's do it for on the second example and see what it's going to give us. We come here. From here we shall come to this point here. Then we click on it. A pop-up menu is going to appear for us. We navigate up to down here. This is the one we're interested in, the one which is saying custom. Click on custom, put your cursor here, the backward slash, and then introduce the percentage symbol to it. Click OK. It's going to be introduced, and then I can autofill, and then we see the percentage introduced to our work. We do the same for this. Come to this point here. Then we shall still come to this, put our cursor here, backward slash, followed by the percentage sign, and then click OK. We autofill, and we have something like that. Do the same here. This arrow, custom, backward slash, percentage sign, OK. Then we have the percentage being introduced to our final grades like that. So that is what I wanted to talk about in this session. Let's meet in the next session.